Ikaw na, Sir. So, pakita natin ang grade.
Okay, people, give up for getting number 3.
Sige, eto. Ang susunod, mga kaibigan, another ladies and tonight and James. Please welcome candidate number 4.
Galingan mo!
Ayan. So, sige, pakilala mo na kaya.
Run up, people! Count on time, number 5. International City, Italy.
International City, Italy. Why did you say it's not an international city? So, bakit mo nga nasabi international city? Natalag mo, why not? I like your style, girl. Maganda. Pag-waiting ka na. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen,
Okay, before we start with our broadcast, we need your help. All we have to do is to applaud, shout, scream, support your favorite candidate.
Ayan, three more judges natin, okay? If we're gonna ask you what are the games about, all you have to say is, game na, okay, to all our foreign friends, okay? At syempre lahat ng mga Pilipino, alam nila ito, because one of our sponsors is TFC, Double Pinoy China. So, umpisahan na natin, People of Boracay, game, gano'n ba?
Game na!
Pag gano'n, hindi mo kaya, go on, everyone now, everyone must shout, okay? Pag hindi kayo sasalita, magiging battle kayo, ha? Okay, all time, People of Boracay, game, gano'n ba?
Game na!
Maraming salamat. Ayan. So, umpisahan na natin. Okay. What's your name again? Miss Saba. You know what's our language in Tagalog? Sabaw is the biggest banana.
Yay!
Who wants to eat taba? Sino mahilig sa taba?
Yay!
So, mga babae, ang linig nyo. Hindi, siyempre, pag wala tayong cherry, taba na lang nagamitin.
Yeah!
Joke lang. Anyway, okay, umpisahan natin. People of Boracay, who's in favor of our candidate number 1? Thank you very much, Miss Taba.
Contestant din sila.
Alis na ba talaga ano Taba? Thank you very much. What a very unique name, okay? And candidate number 2, please step forward. Ayan, ate, ano po ang pangalan mo? Juliana, yung ari na Juliana para okay sa Pampanga. Diba? Ayan. So, sabihin mo na.
Alright, people, who wants in favor for our candidate number 2?
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Juliana. Ayan. Dito muna ulit tayo. And ito yung mabahay see-through. Step forward, candidate number 3. Okay. Wala pa. Sabi ko Ano ka? Okay. Ano pangalan mo, ate? Iya. Wow. Iya. Wow. Miss Iya, how young are you now? 28. Ano nga? She's not wearing any makeup. She's still pretty, right? Ayan, natural na beauty. So, dapat magagaling siya sa paningin ng ating Boracay audience. So, yes, Grace.
Okay, people, who wants to vote for candidate number 3?
Mahal na mahal ka na yung mga friends. Thank you very much. And let's move on. Candidate number 4, please step forward. Sige, tuloy mo lang ang pangalan niya. Parang nakatabagin yung pangalan ng Angel Mare. Sorry. Demon. Okay, demon na lang. Parang hindi pa makakagahan. Go!
Right now, people, who wants in favor for our candidate number 4?
Thank you very much, Mare. Alam mo natin, ha? Alam mo natin. And, candidate number 5, please step forward. Wait up, wait up. Wait up. Hold your breath.
Take your breath.
Yes, Grace. Sige, anong pangalan mo ulit, Mare? Ha? Kathleen. Di ba yun yung nagkaroon na sa mga pusa? Eh, pag ganito ang pusa. Ano yun? Kinakalat ng cherry daw. Sige, Miss Kathleen. Sige, tanongin mo na, Grace.
Okay, people, who wants to vote for candidate number 5?
Thank you very much, Kathleen.
Ay, ikaw na. Ready ka?
Parang una ka pa to, ah. Mare, bumaba ka ba? Hindi ka kailangan ba ito? Mukhang nagpush eh. Joke lang. Joke lang, Kathleen. Ayan, thank you very much. And we're down to our last candidate. Please step forward. It's not, sige, hindi na very private. Tell us your vital statistics. What is your vital statistics, ma'am?
Yes!
Size doesn't matter. Looks does. And performance does, right?
Yeah!
Ito na. Meron ka na Okay.
Mare, lagot ka kay Mare!
Anyway, thank you very much, lady. So, Boracay, who's in favor of candidate number 6? Okay, sandali lang ha. Nagulat ako, di ba? Meron akala, before we used to have the walking nation blinds, ayan, diba? Tsaka the walking pedestrian lane. But now, meron tayong candidate na the walking capsule! Napaka-cool mo. So, before we announce
Love you, Gaga!
we would like to thank our major sponsors.
TFC, the Filipino Channel, Media.com, Star Express, Class 5 Minor Media. That's it. Ayun lang. Napagpuntuhan, pagkustuhan.
Ay, sige, no, medyo namin lang ako. Kasi dalawa lang talaga mananalo sa atin ngayon kasi pinamigay natin kanina ang isa. Okay, para sa ating birthday celebrants. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, before we announce the winners, I would like to thank our 6 lovely candidates to join us for making this pageant possible. And maraming salamat. Thank you very much for being such a Okay? So, right now, our first lucky winner will receive a voucher from J Chinese Restaurant is candidate number 5. Actually, dalawa na sana mananalo. Gagawin mo ng tatlo ang winner natin. So, our next lucky winner will also receive a voucher from J Restaurant. Go to candidate number 1.
Pagkain bukas!
And the grand prize winner for tonight will receive a
Number 6!
And this voucher is entitled to receive 1 regular box from Dubai to Philippines for free.
Yay!
Okay, our winner is candidate number
Picture! Picture! Yeah! Picture mo dali!